One of the things that gets me, to kind of relax from work is I get to be a character, and it's okay. It's always, remember, important to remain practical. Like, for example, right now I'm dressed as an agent from the Matrix. One of the things that the agents are, they're the bad guys, they're the villains, and so forth. And as a result of that, I cannot fully be that because that would be unpractical. But I can, do a gaze. And then, of course, that I can do, and people get to, like, they're looking around like, what? What is this guy? Is he for reals? Cosplay could be, of course, in any genre from horror to action, sci-fi, and fantasy. And, cosplay, costume play, it's just short for costume play. And pretty much it's just interacting with either other fans that do very similar themes as well. But we get to role play a little bit. It's, in a way, my mini vacation, and I get to be an action figure, so to speak. How I do things is that I actually would buy the actual toys that are as detailed as possible, and I would just study it. It's like, you know what, that's how the layer is, and I can actually either make it or perhaps buy various supplies and assemble it to actually make it into a particular character. But my specialty also is in paint. I can match paint colors, I can make paint, working in hardware, that's one of the things that I do on a regular basis. So if I take a sheet of plastic, using paint techniques, I can make that piece of plastic look like steel or something that's unbreakable. I can make it look prestige, or I can make it worn out. And so that's one of the things that paint does, is special effects, is using either liquid paint or spray paint. There's all types of paint to use to make something look authentic. It takes me about a month to do one full costume, whatever it is.